Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. This is Jack and Rose. This is Jack, the cutest bird on earth, and this is Rose, the cute bird. So beautiful color. That's Rose, and this is Jack, the fully white color, solid white color. This is Jack and Rose. Yes, and he likes to eat. He loves to eat. See, Jack and Rose. Yes, you are. My cuties, Jack. This is Rose. Hi, Rose. Hi, my cute Rose. What are you eating, Rose? Huh? What are you eating? Hi, Jack. Hi, Jack. Okay, Jack. You want to watch Rose eating? Okay. Say hi, Rose. Yeah, he's a cute. She's a cutest bird on earth. Yes, you are. You kiss Rose? Oh, my cute baby bird. Yes, you are. See? You want to play with Rose? Go play with Rose, Jack. Jack, go play with Rose. Come on. Oh, my cute baby bird. Yes, you are. Cutest bird on earth. Oh my Jack. Jack, come back. Yes, you are. Did you eat my cookie? Oh, my cute bird. You eat the beans? The beans is yummy. Yeah. Oh, my cute baby bird. Cute bird. Cute bird. Cute baby bird. Parang cute. Cute baby bird. Burger. Cute baby bird. Hi, Rose. I'm gonna cook you, Rose, like a bird nugget. Yes. Yes, how about you, Jack? Mommy gonna cook you like a bird nugget. Yes, you want to dance? Hi, Rose. Jack. Jack. Oh, Jack. Hi, my Jack. Hi, Rose. Kiss, Rose. Rose, you are so cute, Rose. Mama gonna kiss you. One Jack. Cute Jack. We're gonna have a storm soon. This month and next month. Hurricane is coming in the United States. Yes, you are. My cute baby Rose. What are you doing, Jack? My cute Jack.